$500 a month. That's what most creators spend on AI tools: writing, video, design, automation. But what if I told you there are 7 completely free alternatives that do the same job, or even better? I tested all of them for 30 days, and tool number 5 genuinely blew my mind. Let's break them down. I'm going to show you exactly which free tool replaces which paid one, what the catch is, because there's always a catch, and which ones are actually worth your time. I've ranked them from good to absolute game changer. And stick around until the end, because tool number 7 is something most people don't even know exists yet. Tool number 1. ChatGPT Free replaces Jasper AI, which costs $49 a month. Now, I know what you're thinking. Everyone knows ChatGPT, but here's what most people get wrong. They use it like a search engine instead of a writing partner. The trick is custom instructions. Set your tone, your audience, your style once. Then every output matches your brand automatically. I tested both with the same blog post prompt, and honestly, the outputs were nearly identical. Jasper has templates, sure, but ChatGPT with a good system prompt does the same thing. The catch: ChatGPT Free has usage limits during peak hours, and you don't get GPT 4.0 all the time. But for 90% of writing tasks, it's more than enough. Tool number 2. Canva Free with its built-in AI features. Now technically, Canva Pro costs $13 a month. But here's the secret. Canva's free tier now includes AI text-to-image generation, Magic Write for copy, and background removal for simple images. For YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and basic graphic design, the free version handles 80% of what you need. The main thing you miss without Pro is the background remover for complex images, the brand kit, and resizing. But if you're just starting out, free Canva is ridiculously powerful. I designed this video's thumbnail entirely in Canva Free. Took me 4 minutes. Tool number 3. CapCut replaces Adobe Premiere Pro at $23 a month. This one's a no-brainer for short-form creators. CapCut gives you auto captions that are actually good, background removal, speed ramping, and a surprisingly deep effects library, all for free. For YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Reels, CapCut is genuinely better than Premiere for most use cases. It's faster, the auto captions are more accurate, and the templates save hours. The catch: for long-form editing over 15 minutes, CapCut can feel limited. That's where DaVinci Resolve comes in, also free by the way, but that's a video for another day. Tool number 4 might surprise you. ElevenLabs, the same tool Hollywood uses for voice cloning, has a free tier, and it replaces Murf AI, which charges $23 a month. You get 10,000 characters per month for free. That's roughly 10 minutes of audio, enough for 1 to 2 YouTube videos. The voice quality is on another level. We're talking voices that are nearly indistinguishable from real humans. It supports 32 languages, including emotional control. The catch: 10,000 characters is tight if you're producing daily. But for weekly content, it's perfect for getting started. Okay, tool number 5. This is the one that blew my mind. Google NotebookLM. It's completely free and it does something no paid tool can match. Upload any document, a PDF, an article, a research paper, and NotebookLM generates a full 2-person podcast conversation about it. 2 AI hosts that discuss, debate, and explain the content naturally. The quality is insane. People on Twitter are calling it the best AI product Google has ever shipped. But here's the real power move. Take that audio, add some B-roll and captions, and you have a YouTube video. Or use it to research topics for your own scripts. I used it to research this very video you're watching right now. This replaces paid podcast AI tools, research assistants, and content summarizers. Easily $20 to $50 a month in savings. Tool number 6. Claude by Anthropic. If you're a developer or someone who works with long documents, Claude's free tier is arguably better than ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 a month. Claude has a massive context window, meaning you can paste entire code bases, full contracts, or 50-page reports, and it actually understands the whole thing. For coding, debugging, and document analysis, Claude consistently outperforms GPT-4o in benchmarks. The free tier gives you generous daily usage, and Claude's writing style is noticeably more natural and less AI-sounding than ChatGPT. Many professional writers have switched to Claude as their primary tool. The catch: the free tier has daily message limits, and you don't get access to the most powerful model. But for most tasks, absolutely sufficient. And tool number 7, the one most people don't know about yet: ComfyUI with the Flux model. This is a free, open-source image generator that you run on your own computer, and it produces images that rival Midjourney, which costs $10 a month. Flux is the model from Black Forest Labs, the same team behind Stable Diffusion. The quality is stunning. Photorealistic images, artistic styles, typography that actually works. And because it's local, there are 0 usage limits. Generate 1,000 images a day if you want. The catch: you need a decent GPU, at least 8 gigs of RAM, and the setup takes about 30 minutes if you've never used ComfyUI before. But once it's running, it's free forever. No subscriptions, no limits, no censorship. I'll link a setup tutorial in the description. So let's add it up. ChatGPT free saves you $49. Canva free saves $13. CapCut saves $23. ElevenLabs free saves $23. NotebookLM saves up to $50. Claude free saves $20. And ComfyUI with Flux saves $10. That's up to $188 a month, or over $2,200 a year in tools you can replace for free. Now, are these free tools perfect? No. The paid versions have their advantages: higher limits, better support, exclusive features. But for anyone starting out, or anyone who wants to keep costs low while building something, these 7 tools are all you need. If this was helpful, drop a like. It genuinely helps the algorithm show this to more people. Subscribe for weekly AI tool breakdowns. And comment below: which free tool are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next one.